Hey friends, welcome back. I'm your Robo-Pal, and today we're tackling focus with ADHD. If your brain feels like 34 tabs are open, the one you need keeps crashing, and every task is due yesterday, you're not alone. Today I'll show two free and low-cost AI tools that can turn chaos into clear, doable steps. ADHD isn't a motivation problem. It's a management problem. Working memory overload, time blindness, task initiation friction, rejection sensitivity, and decision fatigue. The goal isn't to try harder. It's to reduce friction and externalize your brain's to-do list. We'll demo Goblin Tools to break tasks into tiny steps. Then Speechify to listen to what you need so you can move while your brain stays engaged. Let's begin with Goblin Tools. Go on any browser of your choice and type Goblin Tools. Click on the first link. Open Goblin Tools. Now, let us first learn how Goblin will help us to break down our to-do list. Tap Magic To Do and give a task to add. Now click on plus to add the task. Finish my assignment about climate change. Click Magic. Boom, your single scary task becomes tiny concrete steps. Use the spiciness slider to make steps smaller if they still feel heavy. ADHD brains love tiny wins. Check off items to trigger dopamine done hits. Add realistic time estimates. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This creates urgency without panic. Beside Magic To Do, there are two more helpers: Complier and Fromalizer. In Complier, paste a messy brain dump and get a tidy action list. And in Formalizer, rewrite in text in a kinder or more professional tone if rejection sensitivity is spiking. Now open Speechify. Click on Free Text to Speech AI Online. Drop in your reading. Here I have prepared a sample text, but you guys can paste anything there. Choose a voice you like and a speed that keeps you alert. Many ADHD folks find slightly faster helps focus. Now hit play and let Speechify read for you.
I first heard about Speechify from my husband, who uses Speechify for all of his reading. I love using Speechify while driving, cooking, and going for a walk. I use it to listen to scripts for work and books for fun. I showed Speechify to all my girlfriends, and now they use it too.
Too restless to sit? Put on headphones and walk while listening. Movement boosts dopamine and focus. You can also scan a handout with your phone and have it read aloud. Pairing these tools is powerful. Goblin Tools decides what to do. Speechify helps you absorb and keep moving. If this helped, you're doing great. One tiny step at a time. And make sure to help people around you to manage their tasks better by telling them about what we learned today. If you want more practical AI tips for real life, like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a little focus boost.